back, YouTube. Here I am lit. I'm ready for this 10-hour flight. Great thing about it is Delta though. It's gonna be litty too titty. Just made it in the airport. Check that out. It took me a minute. I had to try to get my eSIM so my phone will work out here. Yeah, so these like storage things. I forgot how long you get to keep it in there for.
Touch the applicable buttons. Please put your baggage in an available box. Press the lock button and pay the fee.
Yeah. Last time I came here, I got this fire. Like $2. Price probably went up. They got this little sauce. Ooh, made a mess. Bon appetit. Alright, on my way to the train. It's crazy because I don't know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm doing. So heading down to the train. See it over there. Hopefully my phone still works. Shoot. That eSIM was acting like it didn't want to stay down the train. So I took the Kikuya to the JR line. It's basically going to take me to the Shibuya crossing. Oh yeah, that's that. That's great. I'm telling y'all, I need to get out and travel, man. Show them more. What's going on? Look, they're going to McDonald's. It's crazy. Trying to see my little tiny room. Now this room right here, it eats for $100. About 100. Can't see. Focus. And this right here for 100. I ain't gonna hold you. Like I'm gonna be going back and forth from this camera to the other one. Hope it's clear. Yeah, I ain't gonna hold you, man. That plane ride took a lot out of me. I thought I was gonna. My thing was to be able to get there 3, hit Shibuya, hit Shinjuku, and get a cool hotel room out there, whatever and stuff, close to a temple. But hit I hit Shibuya crossing it. It was already like 12, man. I was supposed to thug it out for like 4 hours till the train run again, and then go hit the surrounding cities and stuff. But it was just so cold, I couldn't do it. My hands started getting numb. I was just like, man, let me just get up out of here for a minute. Let me go lay down. recalibrate everything. So right now I still got my luggage at a compartment at the airport. So check out about 10. So I go there, go get my own stuff, and see what else I'm gonna do and stuff. Hopefully I have enough time to figure out what's what. But let y'all see this room. Look how small this is. It's for a Hun Dilly. Like that. And there you have it. That's the room. You see I got my little charger and stuff. Trying to charge cameras up, phone, passport. See I got my driver license too. Thinking about I might hang the jacket up and stuff. And it's the view. I might have to edit that out saying that, but yeah. But here you can see a little bit. I'm high up. That's how they got me though. It's like, oh, high up room and this and that. Didn't know it wasn't gonna have a view. See a little flat screen. You see my 50-inch in the corner. Yeah, that's about it. I'll let y'all see this bathroom. Check out this tub. That's another thing. You gotta be real quiet. Look at this bathroom. Look at the little tub. But it's deep though. You bathe in a little bucket. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna soak in that thing though. Shoot. See that shower. Stuff. Also, all of these toilets out here got the little, what's the name? So, keep the butt clean so you ain't stinking. That's me. So, that's just basically what it is. Another thing, they don't be having trash cans out here at all. So, dang, I'm at 17%. So, I don't know if I bit off more than I could chew, but like I say, I got time to be out here and stuff, so I ain't gonna stress too much. My main thing was to be able to really experience it. I was trying to do it on a budget though, I ain't gonna hold you, but towards the end, I'm gonna stay in an upscale hotel with a nice view and stuff. Just gotta figure out what dates. Like I learned, you can't be doing that out here like last minute. They get you, they hike up the price on everything and be like, then they know you American because you gotta have your passport to check in some of these hotels. If not all, I'm not sure. So I'm learning that. We learning that as we go though. So that being said, shoot, I showed y'all the Shibuya crossing already. We took the train, you know what I mean? First time taking the train like a pro, hopped on that mud. So yeah. You gotta be quiet. You see, they said right here, please refrain from loud noises indoors. So yeah, that's about it. So my little teacup. Make me some green tea. Try to eat healthy while I'm out here. Ain't gonna be tearing up a gang of chicken. Get some soups and broths and stuff. But right now, I'm gonna try to I'm gonna get everything organized. So on my camera, phone, everything charged up. One thing that took me out, I had my eSIM. Make sure you have that set up before you leave to depart to wherever you're going. You don't want to be there like me taking 2-3 hours to get that work. And that took a lot of time too. Well, I could have already been on the train going on my journey. But yeah, the weather out here is cold, so luckily I did bring me a good jacket. Well, a hoodie. Pro Club, of course. It's thick. So yeah. With that, I'll let y'all go. I'm gonna hit y'all back in the morning.